Hi guys, so today I have some pigments that BornPrettyStore.com sent me for review, and for the sake of time I'm not going to open them up. I'm just going to turn them over so you guys can see them. And these are called fluorescent pigments, but they're neon colors. And first one I'm going to show you is the green, and I'm going to show you two different things you can do with these. Second one is yellow. Third one is pink, and that's they're all neon colors. They're really, really pretty. And then this is a neon coral. And last but not least, neon blue. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to show you that I've done with them that is a little different is some bubble nail liquid. And I will show you how to do that in another video, but for the sake of time, I'll just show you how they turned out. And I'm going to show you, this is the green, neon green, and that is on a matte nail. And then I have neon yellow, okay, then I have the neon coral, and then I have neon blue, okay, then I have neon pink, which I will do in front of you guys, and then I'll cure it and I'll continue with what I wanted to show you. And there is that neon pink. It is so pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna cure that. So I made some on a white background. So this is the neon blue, and this has a shiny top coat. This is the neon coral, and that's on a matte nail. And then this is the neon green, and I put a shiny top coat on that one. Neon yellow, and that is a matte one. I have a plain white one that I'm going to put the neon pink on again, just like the one that's curing. Okay, and I'm gonna cure that, and then I'll show it to you at the end. Okay, so another thing you can do with these pigments is make some jelly nails. Okay, so this is the neon coral, and that is a beautiful jelly nail that I made with that pigment. This is the neon pink, and that is a beautiful jelly nail I made with that one. This is the neon blue, okay, and the way you make these, and now I'm mixing it with a spatula because I don't want to get air bubbles in it. And then last, I'm gonna take some of the pigment, and I think I need a little more, just a tiny bit. You can see, so you have to kind of crush it into that gel and then spread it around until that pigment is really mixed with the gel and you don't see any little bits of pigment. and it's really, really simple and easy. All right, and this is the neon green, and this is the neon yellow. So here's the neon pink nail on black that I just did in front of you guys, and this is the neon pink on white. Now guys, don't forget I have a 10% off discount code. I'm just going to show you one other thing I did for fun, and this is a yellow jelly nail, and I put the neon pink bubble liquid on that one. Okay guys, so don't forget to use my discount code, which will be included on the video and in the description box. And again, these are the fluorescent neon pigments that I received from BornPrettyStore.com, and here are the nails that I quickly showed you, the things you can do. And don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified next time I upload another video. That's it for now, guys. Thanks for tuning in, and I will see you all on the next video. Take care, everyone. God bless. Bye-bye.